right, we're gonna take a ride. Come on, jump aboard. Let's go, guys.
Let's do it. Let's roll. All right, guys, we're on our way to Ferrari of Newport Beach. It's actually in Red Hill, and we are going to drop off the Portofino because there's a couple little things that are wrong with it. Most likely, Tony probably broke it, and then we're definitely going to check out some cars that are there too as well. So, see you guys in there. All right, guys, we are here in a secret place that we can't say anything about. We just found out there's a Monza 2. 2 meaning there's actually 2 seats in this thing. Full carbon. Definitely can't drive this thing in the rain because there's no top, there's no nothing else. It's a really nice car. At the end of the day, it's really rare to go and see this type of stuff too as well. Alright fellas, we were in a couple of Ferraris before, but we definitely decided to go ahead and change it up. Now we're on straight up drivens, actual boat, so straight up fishing.
The boat's called the Straight Up Fishing, right after the channel Straight Up Driven.
Let me help you out there.
I don't need your help.
Let me help you out there, bro.
We can kick you in the head.
Like, hey, could you guys tell the boat is leaning onto the right now?
Record that!
It's gonna get choppy, bro.
That's why I didn't want to go out there. We're going into the wind. No, you didn't. What? Fuck. I hope they weren't expensive. Oh shit. Victor just lost $600 glasses on a prank I played on him to go get the fender on the side of the boat.
Oh.
Did I feel guilty? I don't know, should I? You're at the bottom of the ocean, bro.
Fuck, man. You and your fucking buoy. Come grab the fucking buoy.
He's catching a lot of spray. Hey! We need the buoy!
Fuck you! Fuck! I'm drenched. I lost a fucking glasses, right? Glasses is gone. I'm drenched. I'm getting a little seasick. Turn this motherfucking boat around, bro. Mayday! Mayday!
Go into the storm. Look at that, we're catching waves right over the front of the boat. Yes! Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's some good waves.
Fuck, shit. You alright? Hey, Sky's not feeling well. We should go home.
Sky's fine.
No, we need to go back home for Sky.
Oh, your Sky.
Where are you off to? Where are you going?
Going to get the fender.
Hey.
Ah, never mind. I won't go get it. Fuck you. Missed your chance.
Oh, I'm not getting that shit.
Slow now.
I'm not getting that shit. There's
You're not gonna get wet.
I'm not getting that shit.
Alright, we're gonna go slow the whole time then. We're not going fishing. Jump in.
Are we gonna go fishing or not? We're not gonna go fishing?
No.
Fuck, I have to get pissed.
Okay, then
So,
bring it in. Come in. Get in the water!
fuck, you're crazy. Oh, what is that? No, just kidding. Oh, fuck. Fuck, where's the sweaters in here and shit? Making small talk. I'm gonna have Gary push the throttle while we open the doors. I'm never coming again, bro. We're definitely, Tony thinks that he is the captain, he knows where everything is. We've been really riding for about 2 hours now, and we didn't find shit.
Looking forward to having some of you on the boats doing a fishing trip with us. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you guys want to see. I hope you had fun today.
Look at this. You think you're like Miss Pageant.
Talking shit, bro.
Hey, I don't know if it's gonna make it. You see the boat's actually lifting down right now. It's downward. As soon as wherever Tony goes, it leans towards that friggin' side. But just like I said, like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you guys in the next one.